Hello viewers, welcome back to Iha Designs. Pure crepe silk unstitched salwar suits in the collections. This is the most demanded item. This design develop the launch neck special digital print 2-3 years back the first pattern. Still this personal favorite color. Because we wear a classy look. Nikil Ajrak Ajrak print Ajrak in the daman line with very small badla mirrors on the highlight. Ajrak in the dupatta. So, pure crepe in Ajrak elegant item. Top and bottom item dupatta style gorgeous pure crepe silk Ajrak printed unstitched salwar suits, and the price is 2,500. This is the color. Next is deep burgundy tone, teal blue. Oh my god, what a beautiful black, deeper blue, and olive green. And this series select doubt. All the colors are cute and elegant. Top, bottom, dupatta with lining in the price. Sleeve Ajrak prints. Top, bottom, dupatta with lining in the price is 2,500. Oh my god, green. I Delhi salwar 10 to 12 years back. Video complete Indian market fully pattern but this pattern still Ajrak relaunch. Next one is deeper blue. Beautiful light, deeper blue tone with very small patla mirrors. Work with top, bottom, dupatta with lining. Fittings guaranteed. Next is jet black. Beautiful black. This is the cloth shot. Ajrak highlight very small badla mirrors on the highlights. Top, bottom, dupatta with lining. Dupatta gorgeous side dupatta. Next is teal blue. Beautiful teal and Ajrak prints. Top, bottom, dupatta with lining in the price is the shawl deep burgundy tone. This shade is a very special series. Ready for dispatch express delivery. Try to Thank you.